Hello students. In this video, we're going to explore the amazing world of numbers and how they help us understand everything around us. Numbers are like the building blocks of math. They're used for counting, measuring, and labeling. For example, the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, and the largest is 99,999. Now, let's talk about natural numbers. These are the positive numbers that start from 1 and go all the way to infinity. For instance, numbers like 5, 34, and 556 are natural numbers, but numbers like -5 or fractions like 5 by 2 aren't. Next up, we have odd numbers and even numbers. Odd numbers, like 1, 3, and 5, can't be divided by 2 evenly. On the other hand, even numbers, like 2, 4, and 6, can be divided by 2 perfectly. Ever wonder how we write down numbers? That's where numerals come in. They are special symbols that represent numbers, like the numeral 6, which stands for the number 6. Understanding place value is key here. It is like giving each digit a position, and their position depends on where they are in the number. For example, in 935, the 3 represents 30 because it's in the tens place. There's also a concept of face value. It is like looking at a number and picking out the individual digits without considering their positions. Now, let's look at number names, which help us read and write numbers. For example, the numeral for 86,439 is 86,439. Moving on to the unitary method, this is a cool trick for solving problems. The unitary method is a way to solve mathematical problems by finding the value of a single unit and then using it to determine the values of multiple quantities. Imagine you have 25 candies in one packet. If you want to know how many candies are in 4 packets, you just multiply 25 by 4 and get 100 candies. What about Roman numerals? These are special letters like I, V, X and L that stand for numbers. For example, VI is 6, and X is 9, and the Roman numeral CDXLIV stands for 444. Let's also explore ascending and descending orders. Ascending means arranging numbers from smallest to largest, like 28, 30, 47, and 54. Descending is the opposite, largest to smallest. Next, we have factors, which are numbers that can divide another number without leaving a remainder. For instance, the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Multiples, on the other hand, are numbers you get when you multiply a number by whole numbers. So, the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, and so on. Lastly, we use rounding to estimate numbers. For example, if you round 2085 to the nearest hundred, the answer is 2100. Isn't the world of numbers fascinating? The complete curriculum for Class 4 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.